Alright, YouTube, so I am continuing with my Bill Nye Saves the World marathon, and this video is going to be not so much in response to his to his episode, on video games, but it's going to be inspired by it. So Bill Nye had an episode on video games, talking about everything from video game addiction to using video games to solve real-world problems. And if you are familiar with my website, you'll see that I have a whole playlist about this. This has been on TED Talks. And of course on his show, they'll be a mile broad and an inch deep. So they cover a lot of topics, which is great, but they try to cover a lot in a half hour, and keep the show entertaining. So, while I agree with some things and disagree with others where I do agree, they can only cover so much. But one idea I've had that I want to be the main focus of this video, like I said, this is not in response to Bill Nye. It's just that his show prompted me to share this thought. I've had the idea for a while of taking all of the math you learn from kindergarten through 5th grade and putting it in the form of a video game. Now, that might seem strange, that might seem bizarre to some people, but games are being used now to teach people a lot of things. There's actually a video game that's being worked on right now. I don't think it's out yet, but this video game is designed to teach college students calculus, and it looks like an amazing game in its own right, even if it didn't have the educational qualities. So why can't we take that same idea and use it to teach elementary school kids math? And I think this would have a lot of advantages. I actually plan to make a video in the future that this is almost foreshadowing, but I think this would save a lot of money. It would save a lot of resources. Homeschool parents would have a lot of burden taken off their shoulders if there were a video game that could teach their kids the first 6 years of math. Public schools and charter schools, traditional schools, might benefit as well. And people in the third world, the developing world, would definitely benefit, assuming they have access to a computer, access to the internet. Because you don't have to pay a teacher, you can just, use the download. So if this is an idea that anybody would be interested in making, let me know, send me an email, leave me a comment in the comments box, and definitely let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's other ways you think that, hey, let me know if there's other ways that you think video games could create an improvement in our society. Obviously, this is a radical idea, but I think it's definitely worth it. So be sure to subscribe, comment, rate. Be sure to share my videos with your friends on Facebook. And I will catch y'all later. This is Greg, out.